People can have a wide range of feelings. They can feel good, bad, happy, sad, and everything in between. But how do you ask someone, how are you in German? In this video you will learn that and a lot more. So keep watching, fasten your seatbelts, and let's go! In German, if you want to ask someone, how are you? You have multiple possibilities. The first one is to ask, wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? Or you could use the short form, wie geht's? Wie geht's? Both are informal forms, so you could use them when you're asking a friend, a family member, or a younger person, for example. For the other cases, we have a different form, which is called Höflichkeitsform, polite form. This question would be, wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? This difference has to do with the two German personal pronouns du and sie. You will learn more about that in my German beginners course, which I'll link for you down below in the last section. So you can either ask, wie geht es dir, wie geht's, or wie geht es Ihnen? Now let's look at the possible answers. If you're feeling fine, you could say, for example, mir geht es gut. I'm fine. Mir geht es gut. Or you could say, gut. Und dir? Good. And you? Or fine. And you? Or if you're feeling really good, you could also say, super. Great. Super. So you can say, mir geht es gut. Gut. Und dir? Or super. However, if you're not feeling that good, you could say, for example, mir geht es schlecht. Mir geht es schlecht. I'm feeling not so good. Or I'm feeling bad. I'm feeling bad. Or you could say, nicht so gut. Not so good. Nicht so gut. Or something in between, which in English would be like so-so. In German is so la la. So la la. So-so. So now you have many possibilities to answer this question. Let's repeat them one more time. Mir geht es gut. Gut. Und dir? Super. Mir geht es schlecht. Nicht so gut. And so la la. Great. So the next time someone asks you, wie geht es dir? Wie geht's? Or wie geht es Ihnen? You know what to answer. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We produce weekly videos for learning German, and if you follow us on Instagram or Facebook, you can also find some other useful resources like great images, mnemonic aids, and many more. So make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest as well. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.